Oh man, it's a heavy
Mhm.
subject.
Talk about that frenzy and what's been going on lately.
Um, it's a lot of artists out here. That's let's start there.
Finna offend people.
Yeah, and let's start here. If you use it, use it. If you don't, you don't. But I'm a firm believer in if you're going to use it, know how to use it, know what it's used for, and when to use it. Don't just be out here just randomly drawing on people's foreheads. Like y'all out here tripping. You out. I done seen one too many videos of barbers letting clients walk out. I'm talking about with the full white line. Like you're not even gonna blend it in. You just gonna put the white line out there, and that's just what it is. Nah.
They're using a white line like that's the shape up.
Exactly, like that's the shape.
You know what I mean? That's not
And
that's not the actual shape of it.
For the barbers that I've seen using it appropriately, they're using it as an enhancement, as a highlight. It's almost it creates a glowing effect for for the hairline, which is how it's supposed to be used. And I get it. Some clients want that, some clients don't. To each his own. I don't knock it either way, but know what you're doing. Like
right.